Question number 94. S1, S2, S3 are the sum of n terms of three series. S1 means not a first term. S1 means S1 year only. S1 indicates, so one series is there. The series, the corresponding sum of n terms is S1. So second series sum is S2. Third series sum is S3. So okay. And first term of each being is equal to 1. So first term of three series is 1. And common differences are 1, 2, 3 respectively. Then the relation is given. S1 plus S3 is equal to lambda into S2. Then what is the value of lambda? So right. So S1 plus S3. S1 plus S3. What is S1? Sum of n terms of first series. So means, so n by 2 into, so n by 2 into 2 into A. A is what? First term each being is equal to 1. Plus n minus 1 into common difference of first series is 1. Right? Plus, what is S3? S3 means n by 2 into, so 2, A is 1, n minus 1 into S3. So third series common difference is 3. So right, into 3 is equal to lambda into, what is S2? N by 2 into, n by 2 into, so what? N by 2 into, so 2 plus n minus 1 into, common difference is 2. Right? Simplified, we get the answer. So n by 2 into, so 2 plus n minus 1 plus n by 2 into, so 2 plus 3n minus 3, so is equal to, so lambda n by 2, so lambda n by 2 into, so 2 plus 2n minus 2, right? So 2 minus 2 gets cancelled here, so plus 2 minus 1 andre plus 1 ulkoltandre, so n by 2 into n plus 1 plus n by 2 into, so what? N by 2 into, so 3n minus 1 is equal to, so lambda n by 2 into, so 2n, right? So again 2 to cancel agutta. Yes. So nodi left hand side alli n by 2 common ide nodi. So n by 2 is the common. So remaining term is n plus 1 plus 3n minus 1 is equal to what? Lambda n square. So lambda n square. So n by 2 into, so n plus 3n, 4n. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled is equal to lambda n square. So okay, so 2 ones are 2 2s andre, so 2n square is equal to, so lambda n square. So equate lambda. So what is lambda? So lambda is equal to 2, right? So n square. So here 2 is there, here lambda is there, lambda is equal to 2. The value of lambda is 2. Question number 95. Sum of n terms of an AP is 0. Sum of n terms of an AP is 0. So means Sm is equal to 0. If A is the first term of an AP, then the sum of next n terms. So means the sequence is A1, A2 up to so on Am. So next Am plus 1, Am plus 2, so Am plus n. So the sum of first m terms is 0. So we need to calculate sum of next n terms of the AP. So okay. So Sm is equal to 0 means what? M by 2 into, so right. So 2a plus m minus 1 into, so okay. It indicates what? So 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 0. So what is d? Minus 2a divided by m minus 1 is equal to d, right? D is equal to minus 2a divided by m minus 1. So namage ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು the sum of next n terms ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ a m plus 1 to a mn ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎ ಒನ್ ಟು ಎ ಎಂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಂ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಇಸ್ ಝೀರೋ, ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಇಸ್ ಝೀರೋ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಇಸ್ ಝೀರೋ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 into so what? So 2a plus n minus m plus n minus 1 into common difference is what? Minus 2a. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? Minus 2a. So divided by m minus 1. m minus 1. So what is the common? 2a is the common. 2a is the common. Take 2a is the common. 2a into m plus n into, so m minus 1 into 1, m minus 1. So minus of minus m minus n plus 1. So divided by so m minus 1 into 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So simplify it. m a into m plus n. So right here minus m plus m cancel, minus s minus m. So minus m plus m cancel and minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So the answer is into minus n divided by so m minus 1. So right, this is a required answer. And the sum of next n terms of this series is minus an into m plus n divided by m minus 1. Okay. Question number 96. If the sides of a right angle triangle are in AP. Suppose I take one right angle triangle. Suppose this side is A and this is A minus D. This is A plus D. So a minus d comma a plus d are in AP. So moreover this triangle is, so a b c is a right angle triangle. So by the right angle triangle, so Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to so AB square plus BC square, right? A d. So whole square is equal to what? A minus d. So whole square plus a square. Is a plus b whole square is a square plus d square plus 2ad is equal to a square plus d square is minus 2ad plus a square. So a square plus a square cancel ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ so d square minus d square cancel. So what is the, so 2ad minus 2ad ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 times ad is equal to a square. So 1 times a cancel. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 4d is equal to a. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a is what? A is what? 4d. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a minus d is a is 4d. 4d minus d is 3d. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a plus d is 5d. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ sides of the triangle are, so a plus 5 means this is a 5d. So a is equal to 4d. So a minus d is equal to 3d. The sides of the triangle are now, so the sides of the triangle are so 3d and 4d and 5d. So these are now 3d, 4d, 5d are the sides of the right angle triangle. So this is 90 degree. So suppose this is A, this is B. So A and B are acute angle. So what is sin A? What is the sin A? Sin A is equal to, so opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 4D, hypotenuse is 5D. So 4D divided by what? 5D. So next, what is the sin B? Sin B, so opposite, AB is the opposite. So opposite by hypotenuse, here opposite is the 3D. 3D. So divided by hypotenuse is 5D. So we need to calculate what? Sum of the sines of the two acute angles. Sin A plus sin B. We need to calculate sin A plus sin B. So take the sum sin A plus sin B is equal to 4D divided by 5D plus 3D divided by 5D. So here 5D is the repeated term, 5D is the LCM. So 5 into D is the LCM. 4D plus 3D is 7 times D. So dt gets cancelled, 7 by 5. So right, the sum of sine of two acute angles of the right angle triangle is 7 by 5.